Kalimpong is one of the most popular hill stations of West Bengal. Situated at an average elevation of 1250 meters, the town is the headquarters of Kalimpong district. The town is on a ridge connecting two hills, Durpin and Delo. Delo is the highest point of Kalimpong and has an altitude of 1704 meters. Famous for its scenic beauty, the town remains a well-known tourist destination for years. Day 1. In order to reach Kalimpong, first reach New Jalpaiguri railway station or Bagdogra airport. From there, take a car to reach Kalimpong. The distance of Kalimpong from NGP is 71.6 km and it will take 2.5 hours to reach Kalimpong from NGP via National Highway 10. A local cab will charge around Rs 2500 for this trip. A shared cab will charge around Rs 300 per person. On your way, you may stop at Kalijhora and enjoy the beautiful view of river Tista and the surrounding valley. Upon reaching Kalimpong, you can spend the afternoon by roaming around the local market. Day 2. On day 2, go for a local sightseeing tour. A local cab will charge Rs 2500 for a whole day trip. The main places to visit are Morgan House. Morgan House is a British colonial bungalow built by an Englishman, Mr. George Morgan, in 1930s in the Indian town Kalimpong. The mansion is now a hotel managed by West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation. The property is built on a 16-acre estate on top of the hill of Durpin Dara. The building is surrounded by a well-maintained garden. There are also beautiful lawns both in front and at the back of the building with proper seating arrangements. There are also some cottages within the premises. The cottages are also available for night stay. On a clear day, you can see the majestic Mount Kanchenjunga from this mansion. During the season, you may observe many beautiful rare flowers and orchids here. Army Golf Course. The famous Army Golf Course of Kalimpong is overlooking Morgan House. Early in the morning, you can visit this beautiful place. The golf course is very well maintained and famous for its panoramic view of surrounding mountains. Also, you may have your morning tea in the adjacent cafeteria. Durpin Monastery. Durpin Monastery or Zangdok Palri Monastery is situated on top of Durpin Hill of Indian town Kalimpong. The monastery was blessed by the visiting Dalai Lama in the year 1976. It houses many rare Buddhist books and manuscripts that were brought into India after the Tibetan invasion. The building of the monastery is very beautiful. After stepping into the monastery, the first thing you will notice is a row of prayer wheels along the outside wall. From the back of the monastery, you can get a stunning view of the Kalimpong town and the surrounding hills. On a clear day, Mount Kanchenjunga is clearly visible from this place. A stairway from the side leads to the second floor. On the right side of the main monastery building, you can observe some Buddhist shrines. The place is popular for its scenic beauty and is a must visit while you are in Kalimpong. Kalimpong Kali Mandir or Kali Temple is a beautiful temple on top of the hill. The temple is dedicated to goddess Kali. This sacred place is famous for its calm and quiet environment and beautiful surroundings. Orchid Nursery. Located on top of a hill, this nursery is famous for its quiet environment and, of course, scenic beauty. The place is dotted with many familiar and rare orchids and flowers. There are some cottages inside this nursery where you can put up for the night. In front of the cottages, there is a well-maintained lawn with proper seating arrangements where you can spend some quality time in the lap of nature. This is an ideal place for nature lovers. Delo Hill. Delo Hill is famous for its scenic beauty. The hill is surrounded by a well-maintained garden. There are nice and clean stone paths in between the garden. You can enjoy the calm and quiet nature while walking through these paths. At the base of the hill, car parking place is available. Here you may observe small crowds during summer and winter, as this is one of the most popular picnic spots near Kalimpong town. On top of Delo Hill, there is a tourist lodge available for night stay. The building of the tourist lodge is very beautiful, and you can get a 360-degree view of the surrounding hills from this lodge. A 4 to 5 minutes walk is required to reach the tourist lodge from the base of the hill. There is a picturesque park adjacent to the tourist lodge, which is dotted with many colorful flowers. There are swings, sliders and horse riding facilities for kids. There are also some souvenir stalls which sell local products. You may enjoy shopping here. Also, you can take photos wearing local clothes. On a clear day, you can see snow-capped Himalayan mountain range from this place. You will find many big and small trees at the back of the tourist lodge. From this hill, you can get a clear view of River Tista and Kalimpong town. Overall, this is a nice place for a one-night stay or a day tour. Kalimpong Science Center. It is established in the year 2008. The Science Center is situated on top of Delo Hill and it is about 9 km to the north of Kalimpong town. The Science Center covers 7 acres of hilly land and has both indoor and outdoor exhibits. Outside the exhibition hall of the center, there is a beautiful lush green park where you may enjoy the vicinity of fresh nature. There are also various scientific exhibits which are quite fascinating. One such exhibit is the Dinosaur Park. It exhibits models of many huge dinosaurs. There are also some exhibits on simple mechanics, sound, optics and pendulum. Inside the main exhibit hall, there are many scientific instruments and you may do some simple experiments by yourself. The Science Center also organizes a 3D audiovisual show which is also very entertaining as well as educative. Lord Buddha Statue and Park. This is a picturesque garden and park located on Delo Hill of Kalimpong town. In the center of the park, there is a beautiful tall statue of Lord Buddha. The place is famous for its panoramic view of surrounding mountain ranges and valleys. Hanuman Temple. Kalimpong Hanuman Temple is located on top of a hill. There is a well-maintained garden surrounding the temple. This garden is dotted with many rare flowers and has proper seating facility. A walk around this garden is quite refreshing. Also, on a clear day, you will have a glimpse of majestic Mount Kanchenjunga from this place. Goddess Durga Temple. Goddess Durga Temple of Kalimpong is overlooking the Hanuman Temple, and this is also another interesting place to visit while you are in Kalimpong. Mangal Dham. Mangal Dham is a magnificent temple located in the Indian hill station Kalimpong. The temple is built in the memory of Sri Mangaldas Ji Maharaj, a spiritual leader who established schools, orphanages and constructed temples in this area. Built on an area of 2 acres, the temple is one of the most beautiful temples of India. The Samadhi of Guru Sri Mangaldas Ji Maharaj lies in the ground floor, and on the top floor there is a prayer hall. You can see a beautiful idol of Lord Krishna there. On both sides of the prayer hall, there are many colorful models which tell the story from Lord Krishna's life. The surroundings of the temple is also quite fascinating. This is a nice place and a must visit while you are in Kalimpong. Day 3. On day 3, head back to NGP for departure. Where to stay? There are numerous hotels available in Kalimpong. A mid-level hotel will charge between rupees 1200 and rupees 2000. Food will cost around rupees 500 per person per day.